my friends. Today I have an open box to show you. This is my purchase of passion planners. They have those pre-Thanksgiving, quote unquote, their own Thanksgiving kind of sale. So let's take a look, see what I got. Okay, so it came in this box, okay, and the shipping, the duration is exactly 10 days. That's pretty normal for their shipping situation. And this one is actually delivered on Sunday. I think that's the kind of service they use this time. So let me show you what I got for this purchase. I actually do have my planner set up already, which is for 2022. I'm going to use Passion Planner Spiral Bound Large. At the same time, also bought a Spiral Bound Medium just in case if the large is too large for me. Currently, I'm using a medium, and that one medium book bound, and that one is working fantastically. So just to be safe, so I purchased those two already. I think I actually don't really need any of these. You can see how many did I buy, but I keep getting questions regarding, and also keep seeing videos regarding passion planners daily. So eventually, I feel, okay, fine, let me take a look, see how the daily looks like. Because to me, my philosophy is I always feel like daily, you really don't need to get a specific book for daily. There's so many options of using daily. To me, daily mainly is like messy planning, so you don't need a book. And if you have a daily for journaling, then get a book for, you get a journal for journaling, right? Anyway, so for this sale, they have this daily. This is the 1.0 version. It's actually the one I prefer, because to me, I feel this daily will be used very, not like consistently, no, not like I would use every month, like every day for 30 days, then I need a monthly calendar. Besides, I have so many monthly already. So to me, this is perfect daily 1.0, which doesn't have those monthly thing. So to me, I just feel it's perfect, and it's on sale for only $7.50. And look at how nice it is, right? It's very, very well made bound book. Okay, so I actually purchased 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. So these 3 are 3 dailies. They are exactly the same 1.0, 3 dailies. Each one is $7.50, as I said. Okay, and then I also went ahead get 3 of their journal, and these journals are on sale for $12.50 for each of them. So I got a small size dotted one, a medium size. I pick a blank one. To me personally, I actually always prefer blank when I getting those traveler's notebook inserts. I don't know, I may be the minority, but I believe I have amazing ability of writing straight, no problem, and I really enjoying the freedom of nothing on my page, blank. But dots, I can deal with dot, and also I just feel if I'm going banana crazy that I want to do some bullet journal thing, the dot may be guiding me somehow. So the small is dot, the medium one is blank, and also get a large journal is dot also. Okay, so for these journals, each of them has 212 pages for journal. Oops, they all fell. So I'm going to open up these plastic thing, and I will come back and to show you, give you a tour, and also give myself a tour, because these are brand new to me. These are new to me, so I'm gonna just look through them with you together first time. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so as I said, for these journal, each one is $12.50, and for each of the daily $7.50. So altogether, I spent $60, which meet the requirement to get free shipping, and at the same time also use one of the Passion Planners ambassadors code to get me $6 off of the whole purchase. So by doing that, I think that this is a really, really good deal, because these journals, these notebooks are very, very good quality ones. I like their paper. I like Passion Planners paper. I like thick paper. They write very nicely, and I feel I can depend on them. That's because I know them well, and I don't have to guess and to test these kind of things out when you explore a new planner, even though you see so many videos of pen tests, but still, when it's time for you to write and feel and trying out new planner, it's always you have to take the risk, right? I don't know about other planners return policy. That seemed like hard. I mean, it's kind of troublesome to me, I feel. Okay, so this is the large journal. So for journal, it doesn't really. Okay, let's take a look. I want to just say take a look together with you. So for journal, you just get a page of table of content, right? And then you go right into the blank pages, whatever pages you're looking for. And all these pages are, let me see if I can zoom this in, are all numbered, which is very, very nice. So all the way to the end. And you also get a pocket. I doubt if there's anything in the pocket though. Let me see. There's nothing in the pocket, but you do have a nice pocket, right? It's very useful. And you get 2 page markers for the book, and the book has 212 pages. And I also just want to, because I have had the same question. This is a large Passion Planner weekly. So I was curious, how comparable is journal versus book-bound journal versus planner. So both are large, and the size wise they are, as you can see, exactly the same. But how about the thickness? And as a matter of fact, they are identical to me. So if you have, to me, just by looking at it this way, to me, if you do have a large Passion Planner weekly and you're looking for a journal, they are gonna be, I feel like, pretty much the same in terms of size and a page kind of thing. So I have a scale. Let's also weigh them and see. Okay, let's change the mode to ounces. So on journal, weight 10.2 ounces. Let's take a look at the weekly. Oh, that's interesting. Weekly weight a little bit less, 9.8 ounces. I don't know why, but yep, apparently weekly weight a little bit less. Okay, so if that's something you're curious about, okay, so I'm not gonna go through all the journals with you, because I think they are all pretty much the same. I think I'm good with them already. I don't feel like to look in too much detail. This is just a blank. The medium one is just a blank one, so they all come with 2 page markers. But the daily will be something fun to take a look together. So the texture is very, very nice. It's different from the squishy material. This texture, even this texture, Seaside Blue one, is totally different from this one, I feel. But these two are more similar, and this one is very, very leathery kind of. I know they are not, but feel very leathery. and I feel they are very protective in terms of like water or stain kind of thing. So the daily does have a lot of fun pages that it came with, a lot of fun pages. When I have chance, and I will definitely read through them. And then you have most of the stuff that yeah, those fun pages, and then you actually have a sample how it may look like. I love all these demonstration, give, you know, it's very good suggestions. And here also give you a list of things that you can use for those infinity possibilities side of it. Okay, and then you have their passion roadmap, and you have these is really nice. I think these are the yearly kind of thing. You know, you have from January to June 1st, and then you have July to December. I think this is really cool stuff to have. And then just starting with the all the daily pages. So this is 1.0. It's just all like this throughout the whole book, and all the pages are also numbered. So I love this because, oh, hey, I see something in between. Anyway, okay, so let's look for that. I saw something, right? Did you see something in between? I saw something flash by. There's one page mark. I want to know if they have like a mid something. Oh, reflection. There you go. Here you go. Space for infinite. See, look here. Self-check-in. So they do have a self-check-in. I wonder if this is, so this is at page 84. We start. Okay, so that is 184. I wonder, I don't know how many this self-check-in is there. At least I saw one at the page 84, and this is start on page 22. If it's double, so each day is 2 pages. 84 minus 22 is about 40 some. So maybe they do have this every month kind of thing. So if we have the 84 minus 22, it's about 62 pages. 62 plus 84, 140 some. We should see another check-in. Let's see if we see there you go. So yeah, they do have monthly check-in stuff, but I feel like you don't really have to follow this. To me, I would just do these. To me, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to utilize this daily, since I have 3 of them. I have a few thoughts. Okay, so after those, there are 3 check-in, self-check-in. I think these are very nice. I always enjoy doing the reflection for the weekly, and there are also note pages in the back. And then you have congrats, and the cool thing is they actually give you a sticker sheet. If I can get it out, you get a sticker sheet. I think that's pretty cool, right? I haven't purchased a passion planner stickers yet. I always just use happy planner stickers. I think they work very well with passion planners. So, and then since I'm getting these 1.0, the calendar page I received is 2020, which is fine. I mean, I really don't need that. So I think that's fine. Anyway, so I was thinking about using only these dailies for the weekends, because I feel like I want to document more about what's going on the weekends, especially for family time with the children, things like that. So I'm not quite sure yet, but anyway, yeah, so that's daily. Kind of exciting to get it, and still thinking about how I'm going to utilize them. But otherwise, these are the my passion planner Thanksgiving pre-Thanksgiving haul. I hope you're enjoying this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I need you because I have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you are a subscriber, please like and share so more people can see this video. And I upload new videos every Wednesday. And since it's getting to the end of the year, I will start having more free time between. I may upload some bonus video, surprise video in between. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell thing, notification bell. Okay. Alrighty. I see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.